Madam Witness, hindi po ba, as the Special Disbursing Officer, SDO, kayo po ay, you posted yung tinatawag na fidelity bond with the Bureau of Treasury. Tama po ba, Ms. Acosta?
Tama po, Your Honor.
At hindi rin po ba naalala nyo that you admitted na kailangan kayong mag-post ng bond dahil posibleng mawala nyo ang pagkalaki-laking pera. Tama po ba? To aid your memory, we will show you transcript of stenographic notes of that 2024 November 25 hearing before the Committee on Good Government of the House of Representatives. Show the TSN, please. Tanong, Ms. Acosta, hindi po ba kayo ay natakot magbitbit ng ganitong kalaking halaga na pera considering the possibility na baka ma-hold up kayo? Remember, you are covered by a fidelity bond, and one of the reasons is the possibility of losing this huge amount of money. Do you remember having answered that?
Opo, Your Honor.
You will agree na yung rason ba't kailangan mag-post ng fidelity bond, yung isang accountable officer like you, para maprotektahan yung pera ng bayan. Ibig sabihin, kung mawala yung pera, at least, may bond na po pwedeng makarecover yung bansa. Tanong, si Colonel Lachica ba nag-post ng fidelity bond or hindi mo rin maalala?
Ano, sir?
Okay, I will repeat the question. Sinabi natin yung rason ba kailangan ng fidelity bond para maprotektahan yung pera pinaghirapan ng taong bayan. Tanong, si Colonel Lachica ba na pinagbigyan mo ng 125 million pesos plus 375 million pesos or a whopping total of 500 million pesos? Tanong ng bayan, Gina Acosta, si Colonel Lachica ba ay nakapag-post ng fidelity bond?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh, what's the objection?
Misleading, Your Honor. I believe the witness has only testified as regards to 125 million.
Okay.
But there's no testimony yet as regards the amount mentioned by the counsel for the prosecution, Your Honor.
I will. Can I respond to that, Your Honor, please? I do
Kindly
remember,
respond, Attorney Ligutan. He has a point.
I do remember. Okay, I do remember this witness testifying. That's the same thing they did for the 3 quarters of 2023. I do remember that.
And the question is quite simple. Tama ba yung tanong, Attorney Ligutan? Sa pagkakaalam niyo po, may bond po ba? May fidelity bond po ba? Si Colonel Lachica, tulad niyo, na SDO. Bonded po ba siya, ma'am?
Si security officer na si Colonel Lachica, na siya amo ang commanding officer sa BPSPG. Dili po siya banded, Your Honor. Pero ang accountable pa rin, Your Honor, ako gihapon, Your Honor. I am still the accountable person, Your Honor. That's why po, Your Honor, ako po ang gumawa ng liquidation, Your Honor.
That is correct, ma'am.
Alright.
You have said that.
Yeah.
Attorney Ligutan, your witness.
Now, hindi po ba, ma'am, na para sa 3 quarters ng 2023, this is, I'll break the question down. You also gave 125 billion pesos para sa first quarter ng 2023 kay Colonel Lachica. Di po ba?
Nag-release po ako, Your Honor.
To Lachica.
Opo, Your Honor.
For the second quarter, 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica din. Unbundled si Lachica. You gave 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor. Kay siya po ang amo ang security officer nga gitalaga ni Vice President Sara Duterte para mag-implement anang mga confidential activities, Your Honor.
Alright,
Kay
now.
siya man ang naay
Sir.
access, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And for the third quarter of 2023, another 125 million pesos in cold cash to Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Tama. So in total, kalahating bilyong piso na pera ng taong bayan binigay mo sa isang unbonded person.
As in answered, Your Honor.
The counsel is answering.
Witness may answer. Counsel is seeking emphasis and clarification.
Nirelease ko po kay Colonel Lachica, Your Honor, kasi siya po ang tinalaga ng Vice Presidente na siya po ang security officer, Your Honor. Siya po ang may alam, siya po ang eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad ng mga project o program regarding sa operation ng confidential activities, Your
I will ask
Honor.
this question, Your Honor. Hindi po ba, ma'am, na sa iba't ibang tanong ko, paulit-ulit na yung sagot nyo kasi nga siya yung may alam sa pag-implement ng confidential activities. Hindi nyo rin po ba napansin na sa mga iba't ibang question ko sa iba't ibang punto, parang iisa na lang po yung sagot nyo? Napansin nyo po ba? Hindi.
Karon, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yun lang ang sagot ko, Your
Yes.
Honor.
Okay.